Janaki Sati Kripa Jagavati Sujana Jiva. So the grace of Sri Rama, Janakisha, is waking up all the good people, Sujana. And what is it saying? That Jyagi, wake up. Tyagi Murta, give up this delusion. And Anuragu Shri Hare. Have discrimination. Kari Vichar, Taji Vikar, give up disturbances. And Bhaju Udara Ramachandra, who is of the nature of mercy, Bhadra Sindhu Deen Bandhu. You have slept long in this night of ignorance. Mohamaya Kuhu Nisa Vishal Kala Soyo. So, by sleeping, what will happen? You will achieve nothing. So, by sleeping, you have lost. Khoyo. So, Anuparupa. You have lost your real nature. Ab Prabhat. Now it is morning. Prakat Gyan. The sun of knowledge has arisen. And all the bad things are going away. Moha, Dvesha, Nibida Tamatare. The tamas is going. And other things are also running away. What? Mad, Man, Chor, the thieves of egotism. All these are running away. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Chor. They are also scared because the sun of knowledge has arisen. So they are also going away. So Dekhat Raghuvar Pratap, seeing the glory of Sri Rama, all the santap and pap, all the sorrow and suffering is gone. All the suffering, tapa trivida, prema, apahi durga. The bhakti itself removes all the suffering. And hearing this call of God, Shravana Suni, Gambhir, people are rising. Jage, who? Dhira Veera. And all the good things are coming. Vara Viraga Tosha Sakal, Santa Adare. So Tulsidas, like then he says, Prabhu Kripalu, God is gracious. Therefore, Nirakhi, Jiva, Jana Bihalu, when he saw people have no other way, then he breaks open this net of our worldly entanglement. Bhanjo Bhavajal. And because of that, his grace, Parama Mangala Acharya. All the beings began to do what is good, what is beneficial for them, as we have learned here.
जगावती सुजान जीव जागी त्यागी मूढ़ता अनुराग श्री हरे अनुराग श्री हरे करी विचार तजी विकार अजूदार के प्रकाश वासना सराग मोह द्वेष निबिड़ तम टरे निबिड़ तम टरे जानकी सखी कृपा जगावती सुजान जीव त्यागी त्यागी मूढ़ता अनुराग श्री हरे अनुराग श्री हरे भागे मदमान चोर भोर जाने जातु धान भागे मदमान चोर भोर जाने जातु धान काम क्रोध लोभ क्षोभ निकर अपडरे निकर अपडरे देखत रघुवर प्रताप कीते संताप पाप ताप त्रिविध प्रेम आप दूर ही करे दूर ही करे जानकी सखी कृपा जगावती सुजान जीव जागी त्यागी मूढ़ता अनुराग श्री हरे अनुराग श्री हरे श्रवण सुनि गिरा गंभीर जागे अति धीर वीर श्रवण सुनि गिरा